Hi guys, welcome back to our makeup channel. I know this is our makeup channel, but today I wanted to sit down and film my 10 weeks pregnancy update. Now today is Thursday, March 29, and I became 10 weeks pregnant this past Monday. So if you guys didn't see my last video, I kind of just wanted to tell you guys and start off this video by telling you guys how I found out that I was pregnant. And it was just basically I don't even know if I mentioned this in the last video, but it was basically because I started getting cramps and it was my time to get my period, and I wasn't getting my period. It was just like I was getting a lot of cramps, and I was very surprised because I was like, okay, sometimes that happens, like your period wants to warn you before it comes in. But I got cramps for like 2 weeks, and I was like, okay, so my period's not getting here, what's going on? So I had to check. No, I didn't check. Actually, I saw on Facebook this girl had posted, she wanted to know how people knew they were pregnant besides taking a test. And it was so weird that I actually saw that, because people like on the comments wrote, oh, I actually started cramping a lot and I still cramp now, and I haven't gotten my period, but I know that I'm pregnant. So I was like, oh my god, that is like totally the situation that I'm going through. And it just kind of clicked in my mind, and I was just like, and I feel like so happy. I was feeling so happy for like nothing, because nothing exciting was going on in my life, but I was just so happy. So I did end up checking that Friday. We ended up getting a, now I don't know the exact date, but I will be posting the exact date right here. But we checked that Friday and it came out positive. Then on Saturday I actually checked again in the morning and it came out positive again, and I was freaking the fuck out. And then the third test is when I took it with my auntie, and because she wanted to make sure that I was real, whatever. And yeah, that's basically how I found out. But I kind of wanted to divide my symptoms and all that into categories, so I am going to start by symptoms. When I first found out I was pregnant, like I told you guys, I was cramping a lot, and I actually did have a flu as well. And honestly, it was the worst thing ever, because being pregnant, you can't take any medication, so you kind of have to let your body fight it out. And it was taking more than normal for me to fight it out. My mom said that was pretty normal for pregnant ladies, so it's just like, somebody save me. I was in hell when I had my cold / flu, and also I would get like straight headaches that lasted about a month. I'm not even kidding. That is how crazy I felt. Like it was bad, like it was really bad, but I survived. I'm a survivor. So the next symptom, I actually have it written down on my phone because I didn't want to miss anything telling you guys. So I have been getting super nauseous. I want to define it as like when you're about to throw up but you don't throw up, but you feel like that the whole day. That is how I felt most of my days being pregnant. It is freaking horrible. A lot of people, I made fun of this yesterday on my Facebook, but a lot of people tell me to enjoy my embarazo, and I am trying to enjoy it, but being nauseous is not fun at all. And next thing is throwing up, which honestly for the past week I had been throwing up like every day in the mornings. And to be honest, I know this is gonna be sidetracked, I don't know if it has to do with my prenatal vitamins, but I'm gonna mention that at the end. I don't want to get sidetracked from the symptoms, but yeah, I've been throwing up and it's really bad. I didn't take my prenatal vitamins yesterday and I feel freaking excellent today, so I don't know, it could vary. I do still have to talk to my doctor, which I'll let you guys know at the end why. But yeah, that's kind of like, throwing up is horrible. Okay, first of all, because I don't even throw up food, I throw up like acid, and it's disgusting. It's disgusting. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I also got a lot of headaches. I think I did. I'm sorry, I'm like so out of it. but I did get very, very bad headaches, and they did tell me I could take Tylenol, so I did take it like twice, and that helped me a lot. And also like try to eat at the right times, that way I don't get headaches, because I do get headaches because I don't eat. That is just how I function. So another symptom I've been going through is just feeling my stomach super tight. El avión. I do live by like a little airport thing, so every time an avión flies by, it just, I could hear it when I'm like editing my videos. So yeah, so I do feel like my stomach's super like tight. It's just weird because it feels like I did like 100 sit-ups the day before, and then when I wake up the next day, it's like sore. My stomach is so sore, and I just think it's because it's building the little barrier for my baby to be there. I should really get more educated on this subject. Last time I checked, I think it said my baby was like the size of a cherry. I mean, I should really get more educated. I'm probably gonna buy books, but yeah, that's what I feel like, because it's just really tight in there. It's like, you know, and I also get really bloated. Like, it's like literally having your period but not even having it at all. Like, it's so weird. Like, I feel bloated, I feel crampy, I feel moody. I just feel all the symptoms of having your period but not having your period, if that makes any sense. Oh, another big symptom I really wanted to let you guys know. I've had such bad back pain, and I used to get this when I had my period, but now it's just like so bad when I do get it, and I don't really get it like every day. It just comes and goes whenever it wants, but when I do get it, it's like really bad. I feel like a little viejita. Like, I can't even stand up, like I can't even sit down properly. Like, I have to maneuver myself into positions where it's not gonna hurt. So I mean, I've been trying to walk it off at work and do just walking a lot, so I know it's gonna help with my pregnancy and also with my back pain a lot. So that's what I've been doing with the back pain. Talking about body changes, what have I noticed in my body? First of all, I want to be really honest with you guys. I have noticed that my boobs grew a lot more. Now, I'm not the type of person to wear bras because I hate bras. I just hate my boobs being in the air. Like, I just hate that. I know I'm so weird. So I always wear a sports bra, but when I did wear my bra, because I do have two special occasion bras when I do want to flaunt them. So when I did wear one of my bras, I saw that half of my boob was coming out of my bra, which means my bra doesn't fit anymore, which means my boobs grew. Like, obviously wearing sports bra, I'm not gonna notice because they're always in there, but yeah, with bras it's just like the boobs coming out. So I mean, like, a lot of people would be happy to have big boobs. I personally don't. I just feel like it makes me look more bulky, and I don't really care for them. So I mean, they're just there. Another body change that I would have to say is I'm not going to be showing my stomach today because I know a lot of people like to show their stomach, and I know I just killed it by saying that. But come on, I'm barely 10 weeks pregnant. I'm still going to have my lonjas. I'm not going to have like the rounded belly. A lo mejor cuando se me haga la panza así más firme, I'm gonna show it, but right now se me enseñan mis lonjas, so I'm not gonna show my lonjas on camera. You know what I'm saying, homegirl? Like, no. But I have noticed like a little pooch, more of a pooch in my stomach, just a little bit more. I don't know if it has to do with the bloating or not. And I have gotten 2 new stretch marks on my stomach, on my lower stomach, which is so weird because I was taking a shower and I noticed, and I told my friend, she's like, that's so weird, and I was just like, yeah, but I think it has to do because even though I don't feel it, probably I am starting to grow a little bit more, and my skin is not... PACO! PACO, I'm filming a video, PACO. Respect your mom. PACO, respect your mom. Anyways, like I was saying, my skin is not flexible at all. I suck at drinking water. I suck at moisturizing, so I've been trying to moisturize. I will probably tell you guys in the next update what I've been doing to my stomach. I mean, I know stretch marks aren't edible, so I don't really care. I'm not really into like looking a certain way. Like, I don't care like how I look. If that makes any sense. Like, me vale, like si me salen stretch marks, it's fine, whatever. I know que se me va a poner bien arrugada la panza. I am afraid of that, but at the end of the day, whatever, you know, like, it's just, I have to accept it. So yeah, that's what's been going on with my body changes. So I also want to talk about mental health, how I've been doing mentally. And like I mentioned previously, I do get mood swings, but mostly I get mad. Like, I get so irritated, and my boyfriend already told me don't do that because it could affect the baby. And I know, it's just like I get this rage. Like, if people don't listen to me the first time, I have no patience. Like, I don't, and it freaking sucks because I've never been like that, because I'm always like hella bubbly, and like, I'm gonna say like I'm always hella happy and shit, like some bloggers here. But it's just crazy because I do get really irritated really fast, and I do think it has to do with my pregnancy, because I was not like this before. I was not. I did get so mad at work last week when they didn't put me in my post, and it was horrible. Like, I was gonna walk out. Like, it was bad. Another thing I wanted to mention that I have here on my phone is about my anxiety. I don't know if I told you guys in my other video, I did get like an anxiety attack when I first found out that I was pregnant, just because I'm not really good at expressing my emotions. So I don't know, my body just takes them out, and I did get a panic attack, and it was just so weird. And they told me that I need to start walking, start doing stuff, and just getting into a positive mood about it, even though I am freaking out. Just really getting positive about it, because it could affect my baby if I have anxiety attacks. So I just been calm, positive, not thinking about anything, just kind of taking it day by day, because honestly, I don't know if I said this, but I am afraid of hospitals. I hate needles. I hate everything that has to do with doctors. It is so bad, I know, but I've been trying to keep calm, positive, take it day by day, slow, you know, treat myself in little ways. That way I'm not pressured, and it has helped me a lot, because I was just really nervous, and I'm still really nervous, but you know, just keep my life positive, moving, taking it day by day has just really helped me a lot, like a lot. The last topic I really wanted to talk to you guys about was kind of like extras, but I wanted to talk to you guys about insurance. I know like a lot of girls don't talk about insurance here on their updates. I actually don't have insurance, and it's so bad. Oh no. But I really didn't think I was gonna get pregnant, and I did have Medi-Cal last year, but I guess since now they found out I'm married and like I'm not with like living with my mom, which I am living with my mom, but technically for them it's just like I'm separada or whatever. They said that I don't qualify for this year, which is super bad, because that means that other option I have is applying for a program which they call the MCAP or AIM program, where you pay a certain percentage, a premium, if you would say, to them. And I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys aren't prepared, just look at the options that there is for insurance. I tried to call up my job, and they said that I couldn't get insurance, which is so freaking horrible. Like, don't even get me started with my job, because I'm gonna get hella irritated. But you know, just be prepared, girls. If you guys are trying to get pregnant, that you guys do have the insurance. I mean, it caught me by surprise, and I really I'm still trying to get my insurance situated, which is why I haven't been able to have my checkup, and I'm barely gonna have it in April, because although I don't qualify for Medi-Cal, apparently they ended up giving me Medi-Cal for this month with my mom, which is so weird. So they just told me to take my appointment to this month coming up, so that I can do it and not have to worry about the expense. But yeah, I mean, just really prepared. I mean, I think we don't think about that, and it's actually pretty important. So just don't be unprepared like me. That's what I'm trying to get at here. I also wanted to talk about my prenatal vitamins, which I think are hurting me, which is weird. I feel like I don't like when doctors tell me to take certain stuff. I know they're vitamins and they're supposed to be good for me, but I think I'm gonna do a little bit more research and see if I can find more of a healthier option, because I just feel really bad when I take the prenatal vitamins. Like, I get sick the next day and it's like pretty bad, so I'm gonna have to talk to my doctor about that. So tell me down below which prenatals you guys took, if you guys took any natural ones, no preservatives and all that, you know, like what I'm saying. I would like to know, because I don't really like mine right now. So I don't know, do we even have to take them? I feel like pregnant women back in the day didn't even have to take them. I'm so stubborn, I know, but I don't know, do I really need them that bad? I have no idea. Somebody let me know down below. I know this sounds so ignorant, but I really do want to know, like, if it's necessary. If it's not, I don't have to take them. But yeah, that's basically everything that I wanted to tell you guys and let you guys know, update you guys, whoever wants to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's not too long, and I hope it helped you guys out. If you guys are going through the same situation, please feel free to leave me any questions down below. I'll be happy to answer them, even if they're TMI. Do not worry, I don't get grossed out. I don't care, but I won't show my stomach until it's round enough, okay? So don't peer pressure me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.